What him say? The can't send you a see, but Kotoko for I'm funny serious. Until say Kotoko, and if I say Kotoko, I mean the IMC chairman is an appenkra. Ebe issue a very strong word statement against whoever say referee manager no offense saying papa no Alex Cote the way you antoje the free no Alex Cote ene nkofo no de si baba yara no ebe si de bia de eti omo ono man hwe ni yeah he based on me no I say he came to destroy.
Good. Maybe a match now. What's some bits of it? We also academy young Libya. I saw one or two in back where BBC just in front of the assistant. No, the assistant's flag was down. Referee to Mikaba J foul Kotoko. Okay. And I think a captain, no,
Samba.
Draw attention. Now, baby, a free ban away. And replay, say they go to play the no foul.
Now, put it in a you can Samba, second half. No, you could say we're properly trained corner because on also be so born or born from Samba. Then Samba. Catch the ball, running now. Can we saying anymore? And you see my problem with Kroma. I'm just born again. We get a video. Born again. Trananya. So I can have my problem with that standard office. Kroma say they are virtually nothing. I say I'm winning for so be our game because things happen in front of them and who's the elsewhere? You they flag. Who's the telling the referee say yes? I've seen this. But when
they are presidents, some of them have had problems. Okay, Papa Lamonisho. I'm asking referees in the very careful. I don't know what they said in that judgment. But Koye say,
oh no,
yeah, I'm a referee. No,
so no, you know, punishing a referee because
I'm asking referees not careful.
You see,
they are careful.
And Buana Joseph, if anybody you no, like what you want to say. I see, say, if you said that man say, come and destroy things and go. And you see, all this thing is happening because young fans say but in Yamana court kayano. And he will be taking those things because I can say, oh, Mikwaji, Mrs. Hannah, Yababa. So consistently, so what since I started making interviews on go vision. Bobo na kwande ni say pia bontu enim both referee last man so me at least we've seen matches how mabobo complaints about break clear ones they don't mind they ignore them eti the court here no enye chairman Solomon asemo by now the MC chairman himself obianka say korere su interview by your media team. They should be interviewed. You are condemned bigly, sending a strong signal to them. So, Master, you think for from how? Why only Kotoko Kwande the Aboma to be about one take every change? Why don't I other ones? Because I know my penny a week. So, if a policy officer or whatever they are, then should be changing orders and some of whatever very incidents. Yes, but what signal about it's affecting decisions. Honestly, you see the entire big clubs, they say why Zitus and Seminole. Okay, I say only if you say, yeah, I bet you say I test level about injury. If you had it, baby dear, but if you had the injury, dear, tell my sister level no. And especially when you are even a big team, you find your excuse why you are not playing well because. They believe say we play not to bench no. You find so no say teams in Kitwana dey 11 year pay. So when you don't have your main guy, there should not be problem. In big teams. Eti ade azito. Anti asene say Minty that Pep Guardiola have ever said Rodri anyone will lose a game. Minty be that. Yes, you can never say that. The only say, coach, they only come and brief us players are available and players who are not available. So, for example, Utie Amorina, he came and told the whole world, Maguire is out. African players, they don't know their status, whether they will play or they will not play. And he admitted, say, he will never use it as reason why whether he win or on match. They only give us information. So what you are also supposed to do is that you only give us information about the status of your players who are available or not. But results in it, and in terms of say, and results and I say it's only a comparison there. I think they are wrong because Bona is sharing them down. So to share DB, Kotoko backline, Hamzata, Samba, Arabo, Amua, and Asiedu. Amua, Joseph Amua. Inusa, no, about 7.
Right way. Okay.
So. Oban finfin wa na eset kojo Joe and Wallet. This were the three in the middle. Enusa, Peter, Amidu, and Donzu. So where is the problem? Because we share team no.
He was referring to yesterday's game.
No, sir. Why consistent? He's trying to say that the resource now any you know. Because we are looking at games to be over. Like the guys are there. Ebia Nkaunya Nka when was a cowboy. But you are to bench, for example. I know if you start this black entertainment, yeah, this case I got to move. Joseph Amon now find buy from Lagos this no. And more money be. Why did you spend money to bring him? And look at me say, we are big team. I'm so too. They spend money to.
But in or 14 injuries at 13. Is that's a fact?
No, it's a fact. Say the injuries are there. But I'm saying big teams in the emphasize the year exclusive view. Mr. To Enra. Born out, they can't make more than up and say, born out, born on no. And you will score and you dreams for no command other power for power, almost like no. And almost say, born out. And then can pay cat.
In the first half that I watched, I didn't see dreams. As I got to go, were very much in control.
That was it. Also, what they were doing is that born a day, not got to go. But go except beer on the name. Boy, let's say 20 beer, they were getting it. Here, boy, no, I say no, there was one boy so on keeper, 1-on-1. And a boy keeper come out and say every year. They kept getting those chances. There's something wrong with how Dito is the team. Because now, all the second balls they were picking it. Why? Because we
score this.
So we're valid. How we can crown for football
enter the net.
So
no even opportunity to control it.
Because so I think
second pole.
Ne set up no.
I also call second pole.
Teams how where you can control, there's a lot of space that you can control and shoot. So teams first you need to ball no. I see teams penetrate too easily. And there should no argument. There should be a system. There should be kind. There should play. If you watch house football now, house mobile umpa. But that's why you laugh about that team. Say you don't see teams creating decent chances against them. It was no matter about no because they no anya they don't mean show. But also it means no. That has been house of folk this season for you. How they are able to play against teams. And the little, me know I just say myself the pressure is big, huge now. Because there's also no any modern money out. Even though finally table they are third. Some are just 2 points behind the first. Even though Mediama one outstanding game because Ediana first 27 points. Kotoko 24. It's 3 points between Kotoko and Ediana. And Mediama one outstanding game almost on board. Also last week no one has said me we and Bashiru Football na Kumasi air time so too. Also Kwakobo friendly match. Yeah, but league. Why do you say Kwakobo friendly match with South Africa? Ochina. Then call up. It's either you stop the league because so only 3 players from Heart of Lions are. You are talking about team now. Their best 3 players in the season. Goalkeeper Lawrence, the best defender in Aban, and their best midfielder in Echi Dogli. Oh, you move team anymore. Also on Kobo. But I was saying, they were postponed the game because he was able to meet only on 5 players and to postpone the game. And I was saying, I had to flash Uncle Bobo because only when 5 for our postpone. But forget to say you have taken out the 3 best players from the team.
Say Omuamra.
No, because
it's in the statute.
No, but you how is it fairness?
I'm saying that when they go and Omar to say Omumra,
you can't talk about fairness.
No, senior B, I have 5 players.
No, the fairness.
Say A near 3, B near 5.
The fairness I bring here and say so. Only you to leg this one. Then you make the call up across. Send a bear Obia.
Hey, yeah, South Africa me is casting a more friendly match. Who open A no way you should select your best players.
No, and selecting the best players, no.
And the criteria for selecting best players, and say, medium for the 5, Heart of Lion for the 3.
How can watch me? How can the 5 players?
And you see, the presidents of these football clubs are good with it. On the American, yes, they forget that it's the league, and they are affected. But the team anymore. Let me read this before we. Is it not both Hearts and Kotoko who have given themselves up for ridiculing by the FA? How come a whole league with big teams like Hearts and Kotoko allow 16-year-olds to officiate league matches in the name of unearthing talents? Such impudence on the part of the FA, bro, would you see or hear of such 16, 17-year-olds officiating in any serious league like the EPL? These boys do not have the experience and temperament to handle Premier League matches, and so they will falter by all means in a way. I blame solely the 2 clubs. They don't relish their investments in the game. Shalom. Alola. On say, they're okay. What year you are worried for Heart of Lions and Mediama? One more mean for no, but no more to South Africa will be. Team Raffon. Your former player. Because you so much love the league. And 2 people who best talent in the league, you know. One more no found.
No,
some of the complaints I'm saying, I understand. You come from them. So you take my 3 best players for a friendly game in South Africa. Out of London, they lost.
They lost at home.
But one found, they are fine.
No, but that is not where at least the one coaching them is worried and complaining.
But the one who employed him is not worried.
So
the employer is not worried.
No, but I say at least there's no fairness.
It's true.
And my league because now one will be undue advantage. Or no. Lions no social league or slow you.
Yeah.
Anyway, Lions team no. We trace our boys through from a team, you know.
Okay.
Because they are the team.
But they are fine.
They are the team. Anyway, you're more free. I think these are going forward. These are things that they have to. Okay. But did the man also no pressure on so far.
Okay.
There was pressure because of Sikasem, combo is no near.
Now still as Canon Goy.
Obi catch them say to last week Friday, you know.
They paid them.
The monies were released. I'm choosing my words carefully. Say check so
and the best that reflect
to pay
to the banks
to pay the salary.
Sana says Friday no.
Okay.
Sky release car.
But so we don't
no Mr. Mr. Zakito question.
I do a bet so. Only back question is there.
Or say Kotoko losing 14 players. Zakito saw me a big club out of Lions me and Sunday or so on Tiasia. Heart of Lions also league no more that's so class in Kotoko.
So because I never once on the room.
Yen trust way. Well, now says you know, and commanding in agent say a branch of friend say Mohammed Camara contracts. Obet made etimi I stand Adama Kalabono. Na emwedin Adama Asante Kotoko from paying for. In fact, emwedin. This is the situation ekutami. Metimi a confirm and I pay and say Asante Kotoko from paying for etimi enya replacement at a ma brantia ye fan Muhammad Kamara. Yes, there is a story amount. Asante Kotoko form paying for Enya Muhammad Kamara replacement. Met confirm and have a pay at a mouse say because I see a chairman pay for it stamp on Esisu. A brantia ye fan Boris Banju Jr. Former Media Sporting Club of Goalkeepers. Tell people TP Mazembe. And don't forget, say, Kotoko the first season. Kotoko, any media, Baba Sports Stadium. You keep on always saves, no. Onwa. Asante Kotoko form pay. I don't know, team every year. Oh, that's around just a one day. Abratia, your friend said Boris Banju Jr. Asani Adama Asante Kotoko as a replacement for Mohamed Kamara. Emmanuel Wawa. Yes. Also, the point we don't pay for a per branch, no. The point we don't pay for a per branch for Boris. But due to media, I'm so money I bring to know. Now I difficult to pay for the job branch. I'm going to say Academy Asante Kotoko. But I pay confirm may confirm the amount. Say a branch for Boris Banju Jr. And Asante Kotoko done deal. I'm not doing commodity. Ah boy, na jatum so wabaya juma edema Asante Kotoko. Tiwedi eja. Minim how be say afa story ere. Enso esi ere etimi afa. Raten se Kamara ko na so nya goalkeeper no so betima so akira. Ebebo wa manema ere. Enso etimi akoso enti no eye latest update ekuta ya. Anopen ya bebo ni tew. Enso ere e amam striker ne makato so mu kromia. Yes. Strike yesterday, omo Ghana here. Na I think say they me pick grass on Wednesday, team no train. Zito breaky boys no. Say omunjo ma me. Enti china team na be start training. Pedekuta me no. Pedekuta me tebia no pe na bia omo adwun be nsade e fine. Be me be chance no pe no. There ma me na no pe no so my day. Ma boni tu. E de amam e won't. Don't forget so be day. Onso obetima subscribe na fe. Onso wetimi a share dem nya na fe nya. Etimi ashe eye jumediti Kamara chama tufu sawo tina sawo tina eno de ebeja wankasa wore wonso na abo amanema ide enso etimi to Boris Banju Jr. former Media Sporting Club goalkeeper no ono so eba beland na afi wetim aye juma no e de ama Asante Kotoko timu no